In today's video, we will try to learn our next steps of group-wise budget. For this, for this video, we will go with our first step, which is create ledgers under office expenses group. In our last video, we create office expenses as a group. Now we will create ledgers under office expenses group. For this, come here, gateway of tally, then go with chart of accounts, then go with ledgers. Then press Alt H for multi-ledger and select multi-create and select office expenses. This will be office expenses. Now put all the ledgers name. Like first one is refreshment, which we took in our example. Refreshment, we don't put any opening balance. So next one is office rent. Next one is electricity bill. Press enter, accept yes. Now come here, gateway of tally. Now we will create budget with balances. For this, come here, gateway of tally, then go with create, then go with show more, then select budget. And write the name of this budget as budget for July to October 2024 under will be primary. Budget for July to October 2024 under will be primary. Now we will have to add the period. First July, so 07 2024. Then the last which will be October 31st October 2024. Group wise it will be yes and press enter. Here you can see a new window is open, which is group budget under budget for July to October 2024. Here we have to put the group name as office expenses. For this, press spacebar and select office expenses. We don't want to add cost center, so not applicable. On closing balance, and the amount will be 1,60,000 because we took it as an example. 1,60,000. Press enter, press enter, press enter, press enter, accept yes. The entry is done. Now we will pass accounting vouchers from July to October of 2024. For this, come here, gateway of tally, then go with vouchers. Then select the date. First date is 1/7/2024 for the entry of July. So first one is refreshment, which is for 12,000. Then the next one will be also debit, so made it D. And next one is office rent, it will be 25,000. Next one will also be debit, so next one is electricity bill, it will be 4,800. Next one will be cash, 41,800. If you want to put any narration, put it here or press accept yes. The entry of July is made. Similarly, we have to make entries for August, September and October. For this, we'll put the date first. For press F2, and the date will be 1/8/2024. Exactly same way. First one is refreshment. In this month, the refreshment will be 11,000. Next one will be the debit, and it will be office rent. This amount is 25,000. Next one will be debit, press D, and this is electricity bill, which is 6,000. And next one will be cash, which is automatically calculated. Accept yes. We'll make entry of the next month, which is September. For this date, select the date 1/9/2024. The debit will be refreshment. The entry will be 9,500. Next one is office rent. It will be 25,000. Sorry. Next one will be electricity bill, which is 4,500. The cash is automatically selected. Accept yes. And for the last month, which is October, for this October month, 1/10/2024. Exactly in the same way, refreshment will be 8,700. Next one will be also debit, which is office rent, and the amount is 26,000. Next one will also be debit, electricity bill, which is 6,000. The cash is automatically selected. Accept yes. Now all the entries are made. Now we'll check the budget. For checking this budget, come here, gateway of tally. Then go with display more reports. Then select trial balance. Press F10 for budget and select the budget for July to October 2024. You can see the budget is here. All the entries. If you want to see in detail, press F2. Then select the date, which is 1/7/2024 to 31/10/2024, and press F4 for group. Select group office expenses. This is open under indirect expenses. Press Alt F1 for detailed view. You can see we will press Alt F1. Here you can see the exact budget of all: electricity bill, office rent, investment, etc. Thank you for watching.